Got it here, Artisan Cutlery, Knife Center exclusive. This is the code. Let's see the name of it, maybe there'll be on a box right here. Artisan Cutlery comes with these beautiful cases every time. And the pouches, quite a bit to unbox. And look at that beast, oh my gosh. I mean, is that even a pocket knife? That is very heavy. So let's see, there is a card right here. Model number 1820G, Apache. Specification, blade M390 steel, type frame lock. I do like reading this type of cards because it's teaching you about all that stuff. And handle material, titanium. That's why it's expensive, you see. Structure, ceramic bearing. So yeah, let's open it up. Oh man. Look at that, that is insane. I love whenever they make overbuilt knives. I heard it from Metal Complex. They call them this way, a lot of people, but that's who I called it from. Oh my gosh, look at that flex. That's a nice flex on this thing. Wow, I can't believe it. So let's flip it, see how it feels. It is smooth. It's just so big, I didn't kick it hard enough. So check out that blade. I forgot the name of that blade, but yeah, that is huge. It's almost like a Knox. It's so big, incredible. Where's the balance on this thing? That's where you would be holding it, and that's where the balance is. Perfect. Maybe a little bit deeper over there, but yeah, for my big hands, I really like it. Artisan Cutlery. There is a design by Derek Pinkerton. Sorry about the pronunciation. There's a model number. So yeah, flipper. Ooh, do you see how easy it was? There's a thumb stud. Let's see if I can flick it. Such a heavy knife, I'm probably not going to be able to. But yeah, you can use a thumb stud. There's a frame lock. Boom. Probably have to use this flicker the most. It's just so thick. They cost around $200. But yeah, the material, titanium, M390 steel, is nice. Give it a little shake, maybe it will be even easier. But honestly, it's so smooth, you don't even have to give yourself a shake. You just have to kick it strong enough, flick it really hard, because it's so heavy, quite hard. Unless you kind of holding it down this way, that would be very easy because gravity works with you. And whenever you're closing it, boom. But yeah, huge knife, overbuilt knife. I really love whenever they make things like that. Look at that. That's incredible. Very heavy. I don't see myself wearing this or carrying it every day with you. But you know what? It would be fun to break up some boxes with that and stuff like that. It's just so nice and heavy. That's awesome. So big. Look at a handle, and it just continues going wider over there in the blade. Love it. I don't know, guys, this one is definitely a beast. Yeah, perfect. Right center. Oh, by the way, let's see. No wiggle. Not surprised. Frame locks usually are really tight, and it's a good bend. Crazy.